Guys, the thing that's happening, and I hope it's not happening to all of you, but I know there's a lot on you. You guys are the hardest workers. I'm convinced you're the hardest workers that this school has. But you also have a really large barrier, which it takes you longer to work on assignments. So you've got to keep on track with all of your assignments and be able to make sure you know what's coming next. And this is something that we do a lot in college. And in college, we have the same type of a schedule where we don't have the classes every single day, but we have to learn how to manage our time. So we've got to chunk it in a way that we can. And so some of you, that might mean you're literally working 5 hours on Mondays and 5 hours on Wednesdays and 5 hours on Fridays because you know you don't want to be working on Tuesdays and Thursdays. For some of other ones of you, you're going to have to use Tuesdays and Thursdays to be able to catch up or catch your breath. But this type of work will never be okay if you get behind. Okay, you're going to sink and not be able to float and keep your head above water if you're not working every single day diligently, or at least every other day investing your time in it. Okay, so that's just a little idea of how to do it. It doesn't matter if you start with my class or if you start with English. Maybe you love English and you want to work on it. Or you love Miss Campbell. It doesn't matter which one you start with, but we can't forget about any of them. Does that make sense? So teachers are being nice this week, but next week we need to make sure we're getting on the bandwagon because we cannot be taking forever and not getting our assignments in. We have to get our assignments in or our grades will suffer, okay? So if you guys have questions on that, and how to look in the calendar, how to organize what you need to do. How do you get a hold of your teachers and when are their office hours and what are their links? If those are things that you have questions with, let me know. Mr. Nick Jackson, he's in charge of study hall at school. He's going to be online every day from 4 o'clock in the afternoon to 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So there's time that he has. I'm in the morning and the evening. Miss Trotter's on in the evening. Miss Rios is in the afternoon and whenever you need her. So we've got to be able to communicate and follow through with us, okay? Say we have texted you something or you've asked us a question. Send a quick message to say, Miss Aragon, that got fixed. Miss Rios, I finished my English. Miss Trotter, I finished math for Mr. Bass. Okay? We need those small touches to make sure that we're following through and helping you the way you need to be helped. Okay? So with that, I have a discussion question in the discussion tab. Please check it out and write your response for 10 points today. I'll talk to you later and have a good day.